Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. As you can probably see in the title of the video, we are going to talk about a project which is no stranger to our channel. Last time we talked about Nexchain, it was in the early stages of their presale and token price was even lower. But still, I can say they offer a great potential because they have a guaranteed listing price of $0.3. And right now it is in 0.038, which means nearly 10x from the get-go. What is more, the trust in the project is growing day by day. They have already raised $1.4 million. And this trust is well placed because Nexchain is backed by the next-gen security and revolutionary tokenomics. Nexchain is not just a crypto project with a presale, but they have a lot of technology behind. First of all, they have AI-driven smart contracts, which enable smarter automation with predictive logic and real-time decision making. What is more, they have lightning-fast transactions because they are built on DAG, directed acyclic graph technology and architecture, and support 400,000 TPS. Such a great number of transactions per second is only found in leading projects. They also have post-quantum security and they protect your assets from next-gen cyber threats. And the next two key features are their cross-chain interoperability, which is very wide and extensive, and their ultra-low transaction fees. I'm talking about $0.001 per transaction. And this is optimized for mass adoption, as you can understand. They've also advanced their smart contracts, and now they're called Smart Contract 2.0. It enables complex, high-function dApps with ease. And they also have two extra features. First of all, they are an eco-friendly infrastructure. AI-driven algorithms dramatically reduce energy consumption. And next, they have hybrid consensus protocol. They combine proof of stake with adaptive AI algorithms for superior scalability and also resilience. And Nexchain is also independently audited and verified. They have a CertiK audit score of 78 and they have solid proof audit score of 65.6 and their KYC verification is in progress. So they are actually working hard to make their project more secure and credible. Actually, their CEO, as you can see on the website, and also the founder is Logan Reynolds. Their co-founder and COO is Mr. Royandran, and CTO is Liang Zhang. They have a really experienced leadership and experienced team in general, and they are backed by global network developers and advisors working to bring more than AI into the blockchain. In fact, Nexchain collaborates with major tech and Web3 players. These include Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, NVIDIA, OpenAI, Visa, Vault Connect, Curve, and also DALL-E. These are some of the major platforms in terms of AI advancement and development, and it's really great to see that Nexchain integrates them. Having said all of these, let's take a look at Nexcoin utility and what it is used for in the platform. First of all, as I've said, Nex is used to pay gas fees for fund transfers and smart contract interactions, ensuring stable operations and rewarding validators who keep the network efficient. There's also staking. You can stake your Nex coins to join the hybrid proof of stake plus AI consensus, supporting decentralization while also earning reliable rewards. Also, if you hold Nex, that means you have a voice in the platform because you can vote on platform changes, protocol updates, and key decisions. That means your stake shapes Nexchain's evolution. And of course, it is also used for payments. You can use Nex to pay for AI-based services, from neural networking training to machine learning tools integrated directly into smart contracts, driving AI innovation with their coin as well. And 10% of all gas revenue is automatically distributed to Nex holders with DeFi wallets. So no staking is needed. You can simply hold and earn. I actually really like this idea. No need to lock or stake is something that I like a lot. Just so you can just hold and earn passive income every single day. And speaking of passive income, there is also a referral system. For that, you need to log in your dashboard. You can actually use your wallet and get into your Next dashboard. For this, you can click Join Presale on the top right corner of their website. And here you can choose the wallet that you want to connect. Once you connect your wallet, this is also the place where you can get the Next yourself. And as I said, Next is a big deal. From the get-go, they offer nearly 10x because they have a guaranteed listing price. But what is more, given the current market interest in Next, they also have more than 30x potential in the launch phase. That means their listing holds a lot of potential and they will list on the major CX platforms. What is more, given the price of Next is very low right now and a guaranteed price offers nearly 10x, this is a great chance. Having said that, on your dashboard, you can also reach your referral link. You can share this referral link on socials with your friends on different platforms so that people can use your referral link to buy some Next themselves. And if they use your referral link, you earn 10% USDT. And this is the key here. You earn directly USDT rewards. So it's like a cashback really, and it's a great achievement on their part. Having said that, you can find my referral link down in the descriptions and you can use it when you want to buy some Next. So as you know, these days the market is shifting and Nexchain is perfectly positioned at the intersection of AI, decentralization, and high-speed crypto infrastructure. The pre-sale, of course, won't last too long, and this is still early stages to get some Next in your hands early on. If you want more details, you can watch my previous video about Next, or you can check the Next website yourself. You can also follow them on social links, and all the links will be down in the descriptions of this video. Having said that, recently on Twitter, they have announced a new transaction flow in May. These are some achievements in May. Nexchain is migrating from NowPayments to its own wallet infrastructure to reduce cost and enable near-instant confirmations with better control and automation. What is more, they are launching a public developer environment and upgraded vesting contract. This is a new, highly efficient contract is being released with frequent balance updates. Their KYC system is also getting optimized and streamlined, and a brand new white paper is on the way detailing the updated architecture, enhanced token utility, and AI-driven innovations. Their testnet launch is scheduled in the second quarter of 2025, and mainnet launch is scheduled for the last quarter of 2025. That's all for today's video. We will continue to bring you the latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.